everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore an amazing automation tool called n8n. If you have heard of Zapier or Make, you love this because n8n is an open source, flexible, and you can even host it yourself. So let's get started. What is workflow automation? Before we dive into n8n, let's quickly understand what is workflow automation. Imagine you get an email with an attachment. You download it and then upload it in Google Drive and send a message on Slack to your teammate. Normally, you do all of this manually. Workflow automation lets you connect these steps so that it's done automatically. It saves your time and effort. That's what the tools like n8 does. So what is n8? n8 is an open source workflow automation tool. It helps you connect with more than 350 apps, APIs, and databases. And you can build both simple and complex workflows with just a drag and a drop editor. It's very similar to Zapier, but with more power, flexibility, and best of all, it's open source. So you can self host it. So the question arises, why should we select n8n instead of Zapier or Make? So the first reason is it's free and open source. Second is you have full control over your data. So if you host it yourself, you get full access over your data. Third, it's cost effective. You don't need to pay for workflow. And lastly, it's super flexible. So you can even integrate it with AI tools like OpenAI or Google's Gemini inside your workflows. Now in n8n, automation is built using workflows. So workflow is simply a series of connected steps. Each step is called a node. There are three types of node: trigger, action, and logic. Trigger nodes start the work or the workflow. Action nodes perform the tasks, say sending a message or saving a file. Logic nodes control the flow, like a if or else condition. So basically, workflows are made of nodes which are connected to each other. We'll see an example of workflow in the next video. So let's start downloading and installing Docker. Why are we doing Docker? Because n8n If we install it directly, we'll get a 14-day trial. But with Docker, we get it free. So I've already installed it in my computer, but I'll show it to you. This is the Docker's official website. We'll come here. We'll select one of these options based on our system. So as per my system, it's this one. And once it's downloaded, we install it. And once it's installed, you can see my desktop icon. I'm trying to open it. Yeah, accept. Just keep this for now. So it's opening. It will start the Docker engine. Okay, so here it's up. Now we need to download n8n. But we will not download it from here. So we'll open command prompt cmd. And we'll run few of these commands. So first we'll check the Docker version. So it's up 28.3.2. Now we run this command docker volume create n8n underscore data. So you can see it's written out here n8n underscore data. Now we'll copy this command to install n8n. I'll give you this command in the description box. So it's pulling data. Trying to install n8n. So it's installing. Till the time it's installing, let's see the website. So the website, if you come here to templates, you can see 4839 workflow automation templates. These are good examples actually. So here you can see someone has created one template. In fact, someone has created the project. You can use it as a template. So click to explore. So this template is all about listening for incoming events and then being processed. Telegram request is being processed. So you can see personal AI assistant with Telegram voice and text. You can use for free. Likewise, there are many more templates like chat with local LLM using n8 and Olama. So these are good examples. You can have a look and use them. If required, then you need to click on use, copy, get started. So here you can find good examples of n8n. It's still installing. And now we need to copy this and we'll copy it in Chrome. You can set up this. skip for now. Here also, when you click, it takes you to the template. Here you can click and start the workflow. So to create a node, you can open node panel. See, there are different types of nodes. You can also start from here. It opens the same nodes. Execution and evaluation. So this is how you can install n8n in your computer. So that's a quick introduction to n8n. You can start using it, and in the next video we'll build a new and our first workflow together. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. So yeah, see you in the next video. Thanks.